Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today, the 6th of March. So what can we say about the close of last week? It was pretty much sideways all week, and then Friday we get a fairly decent break of the channel, and it has broken to the upside as far as I'm concerned, and that's of the range. Now, some people take these two tails into consideration when they look at the range. Me, I look for the inside tail. So in other words, I need price to have gone past the level, and that's my level there. So could very well extend. There's no debate about that. It could very well extend above here, but what I'd be looking for is I'd be looking for price to get past that, come back and test it for that to materialize. So for me right now, you can probably just delete the flag, adjust this level to there. That's the closest inside tail, so that would be an area to buy off. So if you start dropping through, sorry, let's just check the weekly. Bit of a megaphone formation starting to form here on the weekly. Look to the left, so what's expected. Pretty strong bull trend at the moment, breakaway gaps. So this consolidation, break, retest of that, it does challenge these next highs. And what you want to do is just get the structure in. So you can see there's a bit of structure, and there's the next bit of structure. So now when you drop down to the lower time frames, you know what you have on your charts. So those are all pretty much weekly levels above us. Don't be too surprised to see something happen there, but what you want to be doing is look for the areas where there are pullbacks, and I'm going to do this. This would be my first area. That is 15,550. So a pullback onto 15,550 definitely would get me looking for opportunities to buy, and a pullback all the way down to 15,484 would definitely give me the options as well to buy into that. If you look at the 15 minutes, you can see those levels line up pretty solidly, and yeah, hindsight being a perfect science. Have a look at my cursor here. See, there's structure, and look what happened here. Big inside bar off that structure at 8.9. That's pre-market open as well, so fairly decent opportunity that was there on Friday. I missed it, but that's because I'd already switched everything off. But I think for today, I think we've got the breaks. We've got some direction that is happening at the moment. I would definitely be looking at 15,582 and 15,550. Worst case scenario would be somewhere down here at 15,484, 15,500 for an opportunity to buy into it. What could also happen is it could just bounce around here, then break this 15,662 to the upside, but then what I'd be waiting for is a retest of that. That would give me an opportunity to buy into that, and we are targeting 15,814. So that's kind of the first target. Once we're through that, then we'll get to the next target of 16. Let's just round that off to 1600. That's kind of my view at the moment. Definitely brewing. Oscillators are a little bit tired at the moment on the hour, but this could be the start of a fairly decent uptrend. But bear in mind, look what's been going on for the last multiple weeks, above and below the moving averages here on the hour. So don't be too excited yet. Ideally, we want to see a pullback all the way down here at 15,484, and we need to see structure on there on the hour, which then gives us the confidence that we can buy. So that's kind of my view at the moment. Definitely looking for moves to the upside, but just cautiously waiting for the proper setup before we jump in on that. And if we do start breaking through structure, just pay very close attention to these two levels here. And once we're through those, then it's all-time high. But those are the first two areas of resistance that you are going to get. Anyway, hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.